Here's why you shouldn't invest in the crypto market today. The main point is that we're on the back end of a bubble. There are no financial disclosures in crypto, so technical analysis is all we have unless you understand the technology. And right now, the technical analysis is screaming, sell. Let's look at an example. Here's Monero's price chart. The chart tells us that we're set to repeat history. It looks like Monero is at a market top, but if we look more closely, we can see that the decline has already begun. Take a look at what happened after the last bubble. You can see that it took about 6 months for prices to fully decline and reach equilibrium. In spite of recent crypto market euphoria, inflows are actually declining. Experienced investors are taking profits, and altcoin newbies are leaving, wondering what possessed them to invest in this asset class in the first place. Proliferation of meme coins are another sign that we're in the midst of a bubble. Some are actually engineered better than their meme predecessors, but they still reflect quick returns for developers and little utility or value, least of all for newbie investors in altcoins. Solid coin selection based on fundamentals is more important than ever. But how? Meme coins won't drive long-term growth in this market the same way Bitcoin did, or the way IBM and AT&T did for the stock market. They're the fastest path back to this. Remember this? By the way, as I was searching for images to reflect the last bubbles bursting, I searched phrases like crypto deluge and crypto avalanche, and this is what popped up. Do you think there might be too many coins out there? But it's still early in the blockchain space, and one day soon, its time will come, and fast. Until then, the new investors that came chasing returns are the first out the door. Take Cardano. It's a strong project with a strong community meant for underdeveloped countries. One of the developers was involved with Ether. But they're moving slowly, and right now everything rests on blind faith. I'm not saying not to invest in crypto. I'm just saying that we're at the back end of a bubble. I think that the over-the-counter stock market is a good guide for the crypto market. These are the smallest stocks that you really only benefit from if you buy the largest of these tiny company stocks. The largest of the small. But again, solid coin selection is key, and you'll see the best risk-adjusted returns with the highest market caps. I know this goes against the crypto tiny coin lottery effect, but I think this is the best strategy.